Let me show you how to install and also add more apps on your Huawei Watch Fit 5 and also 5 Pro. So yep, on both this watch we can actually install additional applications. If you want to do that, simply head to your Huawei Health app and click on the Devices tab over here. If you scroll here, I see you have the app gallery. Also, what's cool of the Fit 5 compared to the previous Fit 4, we also are getting this app gallery in iPhones as well this year. So previously on the previous version of this watch, we actually couldn't install the apps. If you were connected to iPhone, but now we can. On iPhone, I think you simply had to go over here in the device here and it will appear here. Okay, so you see, you also have it here. So if we open it up, you will see a choice of different apps that you can install. So for example, see you also have this Curve Pay. I think this app actually works in Europe, so you can actually pay with this watch, so you can load your card in this app. So simply feel free to explore it. So you see, even contactless payments on this watch here. And these are the other things that you can install. For example, some Spotify controller. Also, for example, a game. So if you want to install it, simply click install here. Okay. And these are the other apps we, for example, have. By the way, when it comes to iPhone versus Android difference, on iPhone, I think we only had like 10 different apps. So all these we do not have on the iPhone. Also on iPhone, we do not have the petal maps, but on the Android, we have the petal maps. This essentially is a turn-by-turn navigation. So that's absolutely cool. Okay. So see what we actually have here. Okay. And once you install the app and send it over, if you go in your all apps list, so see it will get placed on the bottom. For example, I installed that game. So, for example, I can literally now play a game on this watch here. But there's only one game available, however, this one. I wish I actually added more games to this watch. Yeah, so some kind of Flappy Bird knockoff, I guess. Okay, good luck.